Our objective for Lesson 4 is to understand and communicate in Spanish using these verbs: has, happens, wants, does, and feels. And you're going to use the question words what and how. Your tasks are going to be to observe, read, and listen to slides and videos, and to answer questions about stories at the end on a Google form. Here is our vocabulary for today. Los personajes. In the film that you'll watch in a minute, there's a farmer and a baby. The farmer is a woman, la granjera, granjera. By the way, when the farmer is a man, we say el granjero, el granjero. And this is el bebé, el bebé. The other characters in the story are going to be la gallina, a hen, a chicken that's a female. And if the chicken is a male, we call it el gallo. In this story, there's only going to be la gallina and un huevo. By the way, if an egg is fertilized, did you know that only eggs that get fertilized then might grow up to become chicks? Otherwise, when they're not fertilized, then they don't become chicks and then we can eat them. That's our eggs that we eat sometimes. But I want you to know that when the egg is fertilized and grows into a baby, then it becomes un pollito. Pollito. It's like the word for chicken, pollo, but it has the ito for something small, pollito. So again, in this story, we're only going to see these characters: la granjera, el bebé, el huevo, la gallina. And these are the vocabulary that I also want you to have in mind. You'll hear me using these during the film. ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? That means, what is happening? ¿Qué hace? You might remember this from last week. ¿Qué hace? Means, what is she doing or he doing? ¿Qué hace? Remember when you're reading, the H, the H letter does not have a sound in Spanish, so it really sounds like hace. Next question is, ¿qué tiene? Tiene. You know tiene, right? It means have. ¿Qué means what? So ¿qué tiene is what does she or he have? You also probably know quiere. ¿Qué quiere means what does he or she want? And our last question is, ¿cómo se siente? We had this in lesson 1. ¿Cómo? How? Se siente is feeling. So ¿cómo se siente means how does he or she feel?